Good morning to all of you. Today I want to discuss current affairs on July month. The first thing first is Dhruvastra. DHRUSTRE. Dhruvastra. It is a anti-tank guided missiles. Anti-tank guided missile. It is also called as Helena. HELINA. So that means helicopter launched NOG missiles. Its range is 500 meters to 20 kilometers. Recently, it was testified in Odisha by DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organizations. That is the first current news. Second item, that is the recently Kashmir saffron, SAFFRON. Kashmir saffron got GI tag. So geographical indication tag in the month of July. That is the second items. Okay. Next one is so Himachal Pradesh is the only state in India got 100% LPG connections. 100% LPG connections. So Himachal Pradesh only is the state in India. Okay, that got that is. So next current news, that is the okay. So Siddhi community, SIDDI, Siddhi community. See, recently Siddhi community has got its first representative in Karnataka state legislature. First representative in Karnataka state legislature. Recently it was happened. See, Siddhi communities is an ethnic group inhabiting India and Pakistan. They are living in India and Pakistan. Okay, they are the descendants of Africas from especially from Eastern Africas and Northeastern Africas. At the same time, they brought to India as a soldiers and servants. Okay, etc., etc. Okay, their religion is especially primarily their religion is Sufi Muslims, and although some are Hindus and although some are Christians. So this is the Siddhi community. So it is a very important. It is a Karnataka, especially they are living in India, right? In some states like they are living in Indian states, especially the coastal area of Gujarat. They are living in the coastal area of Gujarat, Karnataka, Maharashtra and India as well, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these four states, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. These are the only four states. So these Siddhi communities living. It is very important, okay, to know that. Next one, Mars missions, Mars missions. See, recently USA and UAE, United Arab Emirates, USA, United States of America and United Arab Emirates, they joined together and launched some missions to Mars. Launched space mission to Mars. That is the HOPE mission, HOPE, HOPE mission, very important. Recently, the UAE and USA launched this mission to Mars, HOPE, HOPE. It is a UAE spacecraft Amal. UAE spacecraft Amal, that is the HOPE, has been launched. It is the Arabs world's first satellite mission to Mars. Arab world's first satellite mission to Mars. It is the US fourth space missions, and at the same time it is the interplanetary missions. The UAE has sent this mission, HOPE mission, HOPE, HOPE mission, to study the atmosphere of Mars and the climate of the Mars, and at the same time the outer space of the Mars. To study outer space of the Mars and solar winds, etc., etc., and to collect the data. That is the HOPE missions. That HOPE mission to Mars. Very important. Next current news, that is the Gadar Jahedan. Gadar not Gadar, Chabahar, Chabahar, Chabahar Jahedan, Jahedan, Chabahar Jahedan railway line. Recently, Iran government has decided to construct railway line from Gadar, not Gadar port, Chabahar port. Gadar in actually Pakistan actually, that is. So Chabahar port, that railway line from Chabahar port in Iran to along the border, actually that is Jahedan line. Jahedan line along the border with Afghanistan. So this is the railway line from Chabahar port to and Jahedan, Jahedan, along with Afghanistan. Here please remember, so without Indian participations, without India's participation in this program. And what is this program? See, what is the reason behind this? Especially in the year 2016, there was a trilateral agreement among India, Iran and Afghanistan. There was a trilateral agreement among these countries to construct especially this railway line from Chabahar to Jahedan. Okay, under this agreement, so India has constructed Chabahar port and at the same time has decided to construct the railway line which is connecting Chabahar port to and Jahedan along with Afghanistan. Okay, what is the main benefit? See, under this agreement, so agreement has given a right to, India to send goods, to reach goods from Iran to Afghanistan, Remember here, bypassing Pakistan, that means excluding Pakistan. We excluded the Pakistan. That is the Chabahar. So Chabahar Jahedan railway line, very very important in recent news, that is. Okay, next news, global multidimensional poverty index, 2020. And what is this index? So this index was released by the UNDP, United Nations Development Program, and at the same time Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative, OPHI. That means UNDP and OPHI, these both together released this index. So global multidimensional poverty index, that is the in news. Next item is space warfare. What is this space warfare? So recently UK, United Kingdom and USA, United States of America, accused Russia as Russia conducted anti-satellite weapon in the space. And what is this space warfare? See, space warfare is a combat. It is a fight. It is a space combat that takes place in the outer space. And the scope of this space warfare includes surface satellites, from surface satellites to ground attacks, at the same time space satellite to space satellite attackings, and third one is the ground to space satellite attacks. Ground to space satellite attack, which means what is that? So here satellites attacks, ground to space satellite I am telling. Here the satellites attacked by the ground satellites, and satellite to satellite attacks, warfare, that is the warfare, which means satellites attacks satellites within the space. Satellite attacks satellites within the space. Okay, next one, space to ground satellites warfare. What is this one? See, by using the satellites, the space satellites, we can attack the ground based targets. These are the three warfares: ground to space satellites warfare, and space satellite to space satellite warfare, and space satellite to ground warfare. These are the three types. This space warfare, an advent of especially USA, in the year 1962, USA, United States of America, in the year 1962, they exploded nuclear weapon in the space. As a result, there was an agreement taken place. That agreement is known as the Outer Space Treaty of 1967. Outer Space Treaty was taken place in the year 1967. Because of USA exploded their nuclear weapon in the space in the year 1962. That is why this outer space agreement was taken place in the year 1967. That is space warfare. Okay, next current news, that is the Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. What is this dynasty? Recent news. Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. Gurjara, Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. What is this dynasty? Recently one satellite, one idol, sandstone idol was so especially they taken away from India. The sandstone idol of Rajasthan. Okay, so sandstone idol of Rajasthan was taken away from India in the year 1998 and returned back to India recently. That is why it is in the news. And what is this sandstone idol? What is this sandstone? It is the Pratihara's sandstone idol. It is the Pratihara's sandstone idol. What is this sandstone idol? See, this is the idol of Lord Shiva. It is a Pratihara style of architecture. It is a Pratihara school of architecture. It is belongs to in the year mid 18th century to 11th century AD. Mid 18th century to 11th century AD. Okay, so especially this Pratihara sandstone idol is associated with the Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. Now let us talk about the Gujarat Pratihara dynasty. And first one is the dynasty. This is the dynasty belongs to the era mid 8th century. That means 800 to 1100 AD. Between that period, the rivalry and contemporary rulers of this dynasty, Gurjara Pratihara dynasty, is the Palas dynasty, especially Palas dynasty and Rashtrakuta dynasty. They are the main rulers, main rivalries for this Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. They ruled much of North India territory, especially they ruled North Indian territory, especially. Okay, the main rulers of this dynasty is Nagabhatta I, Nagabhatta II, Mihir Bhoj, and at the same time Mahendra Pala I. These are the main rulers, important rulers in this Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. their administration and military is, especially their administration divided into some provinces and districts. The provinces are also called as Bhukti, Bhukta, Bhuktis, and districts are also called as Mandalas. Districts are also called as Mandalas. They are governed by the governors and district head. Governors and district heads. And governors are known as the Uparika, Uparika, Uparika. And district heads are called as the Sivapalika, Visaya Palika, Visaya Palika, Visaya Palika. So this is the main administration. See, they were well known for the cavalry. They are using horses in fightings. Okay, their their economy depends on the agriculture. Especially their economy depends on the agricultures. Okay, next one, the primary literary sources includes from the Arab merchants like Suleiman, Al-Masudi, and Rajasekara I in the court of Mahendrapal I. These are the three poets and historians, that means merchants. They are the Arab merchants. They came to India and settled sometimes here, and they given some evidences about this Gujjara Pratihara dynasty. Who are the merchants? Especially Al-Masudi, Suleiman, and Rajasekara I. These are the three poets and merchants given a sources, especially about Gujjara Pratihara dynasty. This is a Gujjara Pratihara dynasty. Especially this ideal is especially Natesa ideal. Natesa, Natesa ideal actually it is Lord Shiva. Its height is approximately 4 feet height. This ideal especially 4 feet height. Natesa ideal. Natesa, Natesa ideal. Okay, especially Lord Shiva, especially the worship of Lord Shiva. Next, current news, that is especially Kaji 106F, KAZI 106F, capital F. What is this? It is India's only golden tiger. Was found in the Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Color will changes automatically because of its genes. So genes causes the variation of colors of this golden tiger in Kaziranga National Park. For the first time in India. That is the Kaji 106F. And other national parks, especially in Assam, Manas National Park is there. Manas, MANAS, Manas National Park is there. And Orange National Park also available in the Assam state in India. Okay, next current news, that is Black Panther. So BLACK, PANTHR, Black Panther. See, recently Black Panther was spotted in the Karnataka, especially in Kadiri Wildlife Sanctuaries. Kadiri Wildlife, KADIRA, Kadiri Wildlife Sanctuary in Karnataka. Black Panther, okay? So remember, so it is very important, Black Panther, especially in Karnataka area. Okay, so next current news, that is recently Germany is the only major economic country has eliminated the especially So Germany is to become the first major economy in the world to stop nuclear power and coal powers, nuclear power and coal powers by the end of 2038. By the end of 2038, that means coal, coal powers, coal electricity powers and nuclear power will be eliminated by the end of 2038. Germany is the only country in the world, major economic country in the world, taken a decision, important decision it is. So these are the current news in recent time. Okay, so we'll discuss the rest of current news later on. Okay, see you.